Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How have to be? Welcome back friends. My YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. I hope you will be fine. Have you spent good and lavish life? So friend, most welcome again in my YouTube channel. It's a platform which I introduced overall crochet criterias, designs that are completely different to each other. Let's come and enjoy these ideas because it's are very beautiful and immensely different to each other. I hope you will be enjoying my ideas because it's are very beautiful and very fundamental useless design ideas are very helpfully princess ideas make you a princess and horrible designs. So friend, enjoy this video, and watching this video at the last you will be enjoy different type of ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different beautiful crochet make frock ideas. You can create different ideas, different designs and different color combination design ideas. So friend, hopefully you will begin different knowledge criteria which I shared with you in this video. So friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas because it's are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will begin different ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. So friend, you will begin different ideas. So friend, you will be enjoy my ideas that are completely different to each other. You will begin different type of knowledge criteria which are very it's are very beautiful. I hope friends you will be enjoying my ideas which I shared with you in this video because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. You will be enjoying my great and clearest spreads ideas because it's are very fuel ideas and very memorable ideas are completely different to each other. So friend, you will be enjoying this video and happen to create different type of ideas that are related to the crochet pattern designs. Enjoy this video. I hope you will be like my ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas because it's are very beautiful. So friend, you will begin different type of thinking criteria to watching this video. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas because it's are very beautiful.